Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a full face beat down using Makeup Forever products. So whenever I go in to do my foundation, I like to assess my face first, take a look at what I need to repair and what I want to get out of my beat. So first I'm going to go in with some booster drops from Makeup Forever. These are hydrating, they make your face smooth and plump and primes your face for makeup. It's great under moisturizer and all that good stuff. And then following that, I'm going to go in with one of my favorite primers ever, and this is the Makeup Forever matte primer, which I love, and I'm going to apply that everywhere I need it severely, which is my T-zone and my nose. So going in with my favorite foundation brush right now, which is a Smashbox stippling brush, I'm going to go in with Makeup Forever HD in color 180, and I'm going to stipple and blend that all over my face. This is one of my favorite foundation consistencies, one of my favorite brushes and my favorite techniques. This is definitely a good way to get a full HD coverage. A nice liquid foundation with a stippling brush is always a classic for complexion. So now I'm going to go in with this Makeup Forever palette, and I'm going to take a little bit of the color corrector and a little bit of a highlighting concealer. I'm going to mix them together for under my eye. The reason I do color correction after foundation is because I like to go in and clean up everything the foundation couldn't. If you do it first, you risk using way too much product and you can also alter your foundation. So now going in with the orange straight on a fluffy brush, also from Smashbox, I'm going to go in, balance out any darkness, any blue tones, any gray tones around my mouth, my chin, or any other areas that need extra coverage from color correction. So now I'm going to go in with the cream highlighter from that palette, and I'm going to take that and I'm going to place it along my cheekbones, anywhere I want highlight, anywhere you put powder highlighter, and this is just going to give you that lit from within type of glow. Very natural and beautiful. I mean, we are going to put powder on top or whatever, but yes, let's get that little natural glow popping first. I really wanted to do a high coverage routine because I know a lot of women still want and need a high coverage and they want a version without getting too cakey. So now I'm going to go in with another Makeup Forever palette, and I will have the distinct palettes listed below. And I'm going in with their highlighting foundation, and I'm going to just take that and I'm going to go in my under eye area and a few other places just to highlight and to brighten some hollows in my face and to give my face more shape and structure. So now I'm going into that palette and I'm going in with the darkest color that I'm going to use for concealer. I'm just going to use this to bring shape, shade, definition back to my face and bring in some of that darkness that I have all around my body, all around my face. You really want to keep everything consistent. So to soft set my foundation, which is basically just taking your products from cream or liquid to a powder, I'm going to go in with that Laura Mercier in Translucent Deep. I have a whole video about setting dark skin and some of my favorite techniques, and this is definitely one of my favorite powders. So now I'm going to go in with this Makeup Forever powder, and that's in color 178, and that's pretty much my skin tone, and I'm using that to soft set around my face and also to help my contour blend out better so the contour doesn't get ashy against my skin. It's a really, really great technique. So now going in with a little bit of Dermablend in Warm Saffron, I'm taking a flat foundation brush from Smashbox and I'm setting my T-zone, my under eye, around my mouth, and my forehead with a little bit of a warmer powder to give my face definition and warmth. Now going in with my Hydra Touch Powder Foundation from NYX in color Espresso, I'm taking that and I'm contouring it around my cheekbones, bringing back that depth and that darkness, and also using it to set my contour. So these two powders right here are amazing. They're both from Makeup Forever. One is yellow, one is peach. I'm using the yellow under my eye to counteract any darkness and to also add a little bit of highlight and to really make my face look dimensional. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of that peach powder, and I'm going to use that in the areas of my face where I have more color correctional needs, like around my mouth and my jaw area, or any place that I have ashiness or darkness. So now I'm going in with this custom palette that I made for Makeup Forever, and I'm taking this peachy color and I'm using that to kind of carve out my crease, just add a little bit of warmth to my eye area. I'm going to do a very simple eye look using pretty much just this peachy tone. And you just want to make sure to blend that out very thoroughly throughout your crease, keeping the intensity lower in your eye socket. So now I'm taking that same peachy color and I'm going to apply that to my cheeks. I'm going to feather it up there very lightly so I can build a bloom that has no edges. It's just really soft and pretty and natural looking. Oh yeah. So now going in with that highlighter on a fluffy brush, yes, I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it exactly where my natural highlights lie, and also making sure to hit it where I put that cream highlight, so the highlight factor is just out of this world, blinging. So now I'm going in with a warm brown lip liner. Actually, this is a universal liner, it can be used for anything, colored, followed by color 300 in their Artiste lip. And I'm just going to fluff that all over my lips. Now going in with one of the NARS eyebrow pencils, I believe, just to lightly carve out my brows and frame my face a little bit. So now I'm going in with a little bit of Jante Blue eyeliner, and I absolutely love this formula and I love the brush. It gives me the perfect cat eye. I'm going to do a high and not too big but not too small cat eye to really give my face some definition. So now I'm going to go in with some Ardell Wispies, and I'm just going to place those on my lash line as close as possible while my glue is a little tacky. That works best for me. And then a little bit of Better Than Sex mascara on my top and bottom lashes. I also went in and added color 300 or 301. I know the two colors I use are 300 and 301 to soften the lip a little bit, just to bring everything together. So a little bit of mist and fix and you're done. I hope this was helpful for you ladies out there who need or want a high coverage, cake-free, professional, full face of makeup for dark skin. As always, I want to thank you guys for commenting, rating, subscribing. I'll be in touch and hopefully you'll do the same. Bye guys.